Strawberry plant profile. Strawberries. Sweet, luscious, juicy. No wonder this fruit is blushing. Strawberries are one of the most loved edibles. They can be eaten straight from the plant, used in jam or dessert recipes, or frozen and enjoyed in mixed drinks and shakes throughout the year. Not only is it versatile in the kitchen, it's also amazingly easy to grow. Strawberry growing can be as simple as a pot on your patio or hanging by your back door. Set aside a 3-foot by 3-foot bed in your garden, and you can have strawberry crops for the next few years. Strawberries grow best in a raised bed of well-drained soil located in full sun. Mix in plenty of organic material. Plant out strawberry crown divisions during the early spring. The first year may not yield much of a crop. Strawberry plants will then send out runners. You can cut them off or guide them back into the bed. Some experts recommend pinching off all flowers and runners during the first year to get big crops the following year. The plant peaks at 3 years old, so you will need to add new stalk every few years to replenish them. They are perennials in zones 5 to 8. Put the new bare root plants in so the crown is just resting at soil level with the roots gently fanned out beneath the surface. They need only about 1 inch of water per week and are prone to root rot, so don't overdo it on the watering. There are many kinds of strawberries. The 2 main are everbearing and June-bearing. As per their names, everbearing and June-bearing fruit at different times. June-bearing from late May to mid-June, while everbearing can have several waves of berries throughout the summer. Select June-bearing if you want 1 large crop for making jams or freezing. Choose everbearing if you want to throw some fresh berries in your cereal bowl every few days. Some popular varieties to try are Early Glow, Northeaster, and Dar Select. Relatively disease-free compared to other fruits you may grow, they are plagued by a few pests, most notably slugs and birds. To combat slugs, sprinkle around the beds with Sluggo iron phosphate, which is safe for use around edibles. For birds, put some shiny moving objects nearby. You might also consider investing in screening or bird netting to cover the beds as the fruits ripen. In the fall, mulch a strawberry bed with straw, not hay, or other materials such as pine needles to insulate the plants over the winter. Remove the mulch again in spring. The strawberry flowers themselves are very pretty, usually white or light pink. Some varieties are grown more for their decorative value than for the fruit. The pink panda, aka strawberry potentilla, is especially attractive with its bright pink blooms. Strawberry plants also make good border plantings. They stay low and are fairly tidy. The runners are easy to pull up if they go astray. If you choose alpine varieties, you will not have a runner problem. So don't hesitate to plant a row of strawberries on the front edge of your flower beds for a sweet treat every time you pass by. Strawberries, you can grow that.